Welcome to this tutorial. If you're someone who values privacy while using online tools like Trello, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide your location information from public view on Trello by adjusting a simple setting in your Atlassian account. Let's get started. First, open Trello and look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This will take you to your Atlassian account settings. Then, once you're on the account page, click on Profile and Visibility. After that, scroll down until you find a section called Based In. This section shows your current location setting. Now click on the visibility icon next to it. You'll see two options appear: Anyone and Only You. Finally, select Only You. This ensures that your location is hidden from all other users on Trello and Atlassian platforms. And that's it. Your location is now private. To conclude, maintaining your privacy online is important, and Trello gives you the tools to control who sees your personal information. If this tutorial helped you, consider checking out our other guides for more privacy tips. Thanks for watching.